How to share screen with audio in Messenger. So the first thing that you need to do is of course to open your Messenger application. Choose a person to chat with, and once you're in the chat or in the conversation, you have to click the video call icon here on the top. It will ask you for permission, so give permission so that you can share photos, videos, and audio. Once the person answered and you're in a call, tap on the three dots on the top right corner, click on call settings, and here tap on audio output. Select what system audio that you want to share. After this, tap on the icon in the middle and you will see watch option, share option, and play option. Tap on share option and click on start sharing. Start now, and this is how to share screen with audio in Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.